Staring at the glowing red numbers of a digital clock at 3 in the morning is a special kind of misery. It is a frustration many men know all too well. It is that silent, annoying realization that your bladder has decided the night is over. You are awake again. You are heading to the bathroom for the second or third time. This cycle of interrupted sleep is exactly why products like Force Factor Prostate fly off the shelves. People are exhausted. They want a solution that does not involve a prescription or a doctor visit right away. This particular bottle sits in that mid-range price point. You are looking at spending anywhere from $20 to $35 for a 1-month supply. It feels like a small price to pay if it actually works. But the big question is whether it actually delivers on those late-night promises. This is a blend of some heavy hitters in the natural health world. You have saw palmetto and beta-sitosterol. There is also stinging nettle and pumpkin seed oil. Do not forget the pygeum and a dose of 15 milligrams of zinc. These are the usual suspects. They are the ingredients you see in almost every prostate health conversation. The hook here is convenience. The company has crammed all of these into one formula. You take 2 soft gels a day with your meals. A 60-count bottle lasts you the whole month. It sounds simple enough. However, there is a catch that most people overlook. There are no massive, independent clinical trials proving this specific combination works as a whole. All the science we have is based on the individual ingredients. That is a very important distinction to make. It means the synergy of this exact recipe is still a bit of a mystery. You're essentially paying for the brand to do the mixing for you. You could probably find these components separately for less money if you had the time to shop around. But most of us do not want a cabinet full of 10 different bottles. We want one thing that works. The reality of the user experience is a mixed bag. Some guys swear by it. They say their flow is better. They finally feel like they are emptying their bladder. Others see zero change after a full month. This is not a fast-acting fix. You cannot take a couple of pills and expect to sleep through the night immediately. It takes weeks of consistency for any potential benefits to kick in. You have to be patient. You have to be realistic. This is a dietary supplement. It is not a medical cure for a serious underlying condition. If things are getting worse, or if the pain is real, a plastic bottle from the grocery store is not the answer. It is a tool for mild support. It is for the guy who is just starting to notice a bit of a slowdown. If you want a name brand that is well known, this is a solid choice. Some people prefer the competition like the advanced version of Super Beta. It really comes down to what your body responds to. Every man is different. Every prostate is different. You might find that the zinc and pumpkin seed oil are exactly what you need, or you might find that you are just flushing $30 down the drain. It is a trial and error process. The value is found in the convenience of the all-in-one formula. It beats buying 5 separate bottles. Just keep your expectations in check. Do not expect a miracle. Expect a subtle shift over time. If that is worth $30 to you, then it might be worth a shot. It is about taking control of your comfort. It is about trying to reclaim those lost hours of sleep. Just remember that the clock will keep ticking. You have to decide if this supplement is the right partner for your nightly routine. The ingredients are standard. The price is fair, and the results are up to your own biology. It is a simple gamble on a better night of sleep.